way to mutual friends of ours, George, who was killed in a motorcycle accident about a little over 2 years ago. Here with Tom. He struck a deal with George's brother, and we're on our way to pick up 67 Chevelle up in Port Jervis.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day so far.
Bear right after 2 miles onto US 6. Turn right after 1 mile.
All right, pulling into port now. Port Jervis, that is. I got into a car accident right under this fucking lake.
This is a fucked up intersection.
It is. Used to be worse. It's better now.
You have reached your destination on the left-hand side.
This is it. We're finally here. It's George's car. It's been sitting here for a long time.
No registration or whatever. It's just that I bought the car for.
Right, exactly.
No money, no fee.
Right.
Perfect. Just don't want to block.
Hasn't seen the light of day in many, many years.
I don't want to block this.
It's going to a good home.
Oh, look at that. It's a neutral.
Oh, all right. Nice.
Okay.
The truck is going to be gone too. Friend of Tom's might be taking it.
Excellent.
Fishing poles, fishing poles, fishing poles. Oh my God. More fishing poles than a sports shop. Up here. Over there. Oh, going upstairs. Copper. This is his copper room. George used to save the copper, used to cash it in once a year.
Yeah, I don't know about getting this stuff.
Cash it in once a year to pay the taxes. What's that? Here we are. First daylight in many, many years.
Yeah. Is there a sticker on the window?
The paint is in remarkable condition. It's not original, but it's in remarkable condition.
That's amazing.
So if we turn it, we're going to have to turn it out here, then we're going to back it up.
396.
You know?
396 4-speed. What a find, you guys.
I hope I got all this shit. I don't know if I pushed record or what.
Well, hit it now, look.
Oh, it's recording now. Wouldn't be the first time I took footage.
Okay. How's the back look?
The back so far, I mean, it'll straighten out.
Put that block, I got to disconnect.
Yep.
George drove this damn thing in there. I'm pretty certain he brought it up on a tow dolly.
I mean, the back is going to be hanging a little bit off, you know.
I remember when he brought the car up here. Yeah. He brought it up from Franklin Lakes, your grandmother.
Tom trying to figure out the come along.
I don't know.
It's going to
Straighten out, you think?
straighten out. The wheels are going to be hanging off to one side a little bit, but not all the way.
All right, I'll wait.
And I'll
How's the other
steer
side look, the back?
about the same as the other side. I want to turn it to the left, turn it to the right a little bit.
Looking all right?
Yeah. Yep. I saw.
Okay.
Yep. How we doing?
Okay.
Oh yeah, we got plenty of meat on there. Inch by inch. Hello.
Be there long?
Nope, a couple more minutes, almost done.
Okay, because I'll be going out.
Yep, almost done. Thank you. I'll be done, you're welcome.
How's that front wheel look over there?
Center.
Okay, good.
We might be able to just push this in.
No, once we get on the platform, we're not on the platform yet.
No?
Nope. Another inch or two.
Come along, ran out.
Are you fucking serious?
Yep.
Oh my God.
Step block into the front wheel.
We need a
I wonder
couple.
if we can push it.
We got the edge to deal with.
Put on the front wheel.
Wow.
All right.
Well, how's it feel?
Success. Success. You know what? George is a longtime friend. I've known him since second grade. And I'm just going to keep this car. I'm going to finish it the way he was started to work on it.
Yep.
And I'm going to finish it.
If anybody deserves this car, you do.
Thank you. I'm going to drive it in his memory. And I'll probably even drive it up to the cemetery.
I'm sure he'd be happy to see that.
Yep.
All right. On our way home.
There's Chevelle following.
There it is. We got a Chevelle following us. Sorry for the shaky camera,
It's following a little too close.
but it
Brake check him.
can't be helped. It's going to be one happy car. It's going to be back on the road again, eventually.
Dry garage.
Yes. It found its new home. George's 67 Chevelle found its new home. First time on the road, so to speak, in probably what, 25 years or so, Tom?
Yeah, 25 years.
Commemorative picture, commemorative video he's taken.
All right, give it a quick bath.
Well, I'm glad to be part of this momentous occasion. I'm very happy to be a part of this. Cat paws.
Yeah, raccoon, I think.
Oh, raccoon.
Yep.
Raccoon paws.
Wash off the barn dust.
Bath time.
All original GM sheet metal.
It's what?
All original GM sheet metal in this car.
All original GM sheet metal. Unbelievable.
Rust-free Arizona body.
Unfreaking believable.
Farmers from Arizona, brought here in early 80s.
Arizona car, brought here in the 80s. I don't know if you can hear Tom. I'm just repeating what he's saying. Yeah, I'm very happy for Tom. This was a long time coming.
2 years.
Yeah, he's been trying to get this. Is trying to get this for 2 years now. I'm glad the deal was finally struck. And then we got to get it from here up to there. That's going to be fun. But we got it from Port Jervis to Monroe, and we got it on the trailer, so we can. I'm sure we can manage somehow, some way. It'll happen. Barn dust all gone. First wash in I don't know how many years.
25.
20 plus years, 25. I can't believe it. Yes. She needs a bit of work, but hey. Nice.
Do you think we're going to end up pushing it in